Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. So first of all, you want to launch the application. Now when you are here, you just have to tap on this pencil icon and you can see these options. New channel, new group, new secret chat. Just tap on this new channel and then simply tap on this create channel. So now first of all, you have to give a name for your channel. I'm going for this practically simple here, and then you can simply choose a photo whatever you want, and now you can add the description here. After doing these things, just simply tap on this check in the top right corner. Now you can choose your channel settings. The channel will be public or private. So once you decide to make it public, it can be found in search and anyone can join them. Or if you will make it private, the new chat members should see the channel members. So then people can join only once provided with the corresponding channel link. And if we tap on this private channel, then you can see this is the link you have to copy and share, and in the public channel you can write whatever you want. As you can see, practically simple. So we can take it, tap on the check icon. Now we are able to add subscribers from the list of our contacts, and we can skip this as well, and now our channel has been created. In here, we are able to start, broadcast or something to our users or channel members. You can edit your page again, like you can edit your name, you can edit your photo, you can change the channel type again like public or private, and you can do these things as well, or you can delete the channel if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.